Okay, so it has been exactly 4 weeks since my lower lumbar discectomy on my L4-L5. And I was going to make a video update on my follow-up appointment when I went to my follow-up appointment on Friday of last week. But it didn't go so well, and I was waiting for like other things to just kind of update. So I figured we'll just wait until this week, week 4. And so I went to my follow-up appointment. The PA was kind of discouraged with, they were hoping with like how many steroid things I've done that I would get more feeling in my foot. So she suggested to do another steroid pack, which I'm almost done with. Tomorrow's my last day. And she suggested a nerve conduction test, and then she wanted me to go to PT just to work on my muscles and try to stimulate the nerves down at my foot. And kind of explain, like, that's going to be the last to wake up. It might take a long time, but, like, don't lose hope. We got this. And then she took some x-rays, and then she wanted me to follow up with my surgeon as soon as possible. And then they wanted me to do a nerve conduction test just to see where my nerve is not waking up. Yeah. So I haven't heard back from the nerve conduction test yet, but I did have my first appointment with PT today. So I went to the same PT that I did previous to surgery, and my PT is fantastic and great. And so they're doing a lot of desensitization on my foot, on my leg, to try to like have the nerve be like, hi, I'm here, kind of send signals down here and start working. And she wants me to do like hot baths, like from my shin down to all the way to my foot, like 100 degrees, 95 to 100 degrees, and then go straight into an ice bath after that. Sorry, I'm so shaky. Just to wake up my nerve and kind of like send that signal. She said we want all the signal to go down to my foot to try to get it to wake up. She also did a lot of, like, not a lot, but 10 minutes of a TENS unit, and she wants me to get a TENS unit and do those things at home. That helped me a lot when the TENS unit was on, like my muscle. We're trying to figure out like what muscles are working and what aren't. But when the TENS unit was on and it was contracting my muscle, my foot wasn't moving, but I was able to like mentally move my foot in the dorsiflex way, which I haven't been able to do at all. So that's good. It means that things are still working. We don't want to lose the strength in my leg while we wait for my nerve to heal. So after I did all of that, my walking was a lot better. Right now I walk like a prancing horse. Like I walk like with my foot up and then bring it down. I like lift it up by the knee. And by the end of it, I was walking a lot better. I looked a lot normal. I was walking straighter. So that's promising. However, she does want me to wear a brace, which the PA said I probably should wear a brace. But because like when I lay down and stuff, like my foot naturally just wants to do this, and we need to keep it like this. So I need to get a brace, and the brace is not cute. It like goes halfway up your calf, all the way down to your foot, but it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. So, yeah, still dealing with all the foot drop stuff, but I'm feeling more hopeful. Still waiting for the nerve conduction test, and then my follow-up with my doctor is in like 2 weeks. So in the meantime, I'll be able to go to PT 4 more times before that, and we're going to stop therapy until I see my doctor and like see what they say. But she also said that most of the stuff that she's giving me to do are just like very simple things that we can, that I can just do at home, especially with the TENS unit and like the ice and hot baths. And then like the desensitization stuff is just like using like feathers and like scraping towels and like having somebody else scratch your foot to try to get your nerve signals working. So all good things. I'm feeling a lot better now. I think now that like I have the PT, like seeing my progress, I'm doing things to like feel like I'm being productive rather than just taking steroid packs and waiting. I was really, really bummed after my my follow-up appointment. I was really down on myself and just kind of not hopeful. So this is now going to my first session of PT, like seeing like how much progress I made in just one session, gives me a lot more hope for the future and gives me hope that like this hopefully won't be permanent. So anyways, that's where I'm at. But other than that, my back feels great. I still get really tired. Like I could probably do 1 to 2 hours of like activity. And I mean activities like driving, going to the grocery store, or like walking around Walmart or Target or something. And then I'm done. Like, okay, I'm done. I'm tired. I need to put my feet up again. So I don't know. I think as time progresses, I'll just get more endurance. You have to think I'm still only 4 weeks post-op, so the inflammation's still there, the bones are still healing, my body's still, you know, still healing, so I need to just be patient and do all that stuff. So yeah, that's all I got for you today. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.